guys, it's Williet from Williet's Kitchen. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I thank you all for your support, for all the love. Go to YouTube, click the subscribe button, the like. Today I want to show you how to make oatmeal chia seed bread. This bread is so delicious. Not only is it delicious, it is very healthy for you, because chia seed has a lot of nutrients. It has fiber, it has a lot of antioxidant, it has omega-3 fatty acids. Oat by itself has its own vitamins and nutrients. It's really good for you. And one thing, you don't need oil to make it, or butter. Just healthy. Come on, let's do this. So let's start. I have 3 cups of oat flour. I made it myself. It's my own homemade oat flour. If you want to know how to make an oat flour, you can leave in a comment below, and I can make an extra video. Showing you guys how to make oat flour. But I have 3 cups of oat flour here. You will need an empty bowl. Now we are going to mix all our dry ingredients together. We have about 3 cups of flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This recipe is very easy. Easy to make. You need, this is my chia seed. We need a spoonful of chia seed. You want to add half a teaspoon of salt. You need ground cinnamon. One teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And you want to mix it all together. Mix the dry ingredients. Mix it well, and then put it aside. Now I have my empty bowl for my wet ingredients. First, I will need 1 cup and a half of almond milk. You want a spoonful of honey, 1 spoonful of honey. Okay. 1 spoonful of honey. Now here, there go my molasses. You need 2 spoonfuls of molasses. That will come as your sugar. You can use regular sugar for this recipe if you wish, but I prefer molasses and honey because it's healthier and it's better. And it doesn't make it too sweet, so I prefer it. So after you add that, you will need 1 egg. Put in our egg. Now all we have to do is stir it. You want to mix it. Mix it really well. After we mix it well, we want to add in our dry ingredients little by little. adding. Keep adding until you put all of it in. Stir it. This recipe is very, very simple. It's easy and it's very, very healthy. You can make this for your kids, for your family. Okay, now when you're done, you want it to look like this. Want your mixture to look like this. It's exactly how you want it to look. Like this. Just like this. Now that we are done mixing, get your bowl, your baking bowl. You want to oil a little. I'm using olive oil to oil my pan. Just put a half teaspoon of oil in it. You want to mix it. Take your hands and just spread it around in your bowl so that your bread does not stick to the bottom of the bowl. So you want to mix it, you want to spread it well. And now it's time to put in your mixture. You want to take everything out like you see me do, because this bread will be gone in no time. I tell you that. The first time I made this, it was gone in no time. They were still asking me for more. Now you are done. You want to take your bread and put it in your oven. And put it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's wait and see. Now our bread has been in for 30 to 45 minutes. Let's get it out. Look at that. Right here. Now it's cooked. We're gonna let this bread cool off for a while before I take it out of this bowl. Now it's time to cut, so you can see how it turned out. It's still a little warm. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. Yeah. Look at that. See that? Put on your plate. Like that. Now I'm done. Just real good. Thanks again, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I love you.